Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to learn about how you can change your X apps icon. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into our video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is open your X app. So once your X app gets opened up, all you need to do is press on the profile-like icon on the left-hand side of the screen. Then you can simply press on the premium option where you can find a drop-down menu. So the only way to change your X apps app icon is to subscribe to the premium version of the X app. Then on the customization section, you can find the app icons which you can change after you get a blue tick mark on your X app. So now in conclusion, change your X apps app icon, you need to subscribe to the premium version. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.